Honorable Chairperson, CCRT, Dr. Hemlata S. Mohanji, distinguished teachers from all over the country, it is indeed my privilege to welcome you all on this auspicious day, 42nd Foundation Day of CCRT, as well as the valedictory function of this 5 days workshop on integrated approach to cultural education. I extend my warm welcome to all the 150 in-service teachers from 11 states and union territories who have joined and participated in this 5 days e-learning workshop. I really feel that you are fortunate. I told you on the very first day that on 21st you will be joining us in our Foundation Day celebration, and you are really fortunate to join a family of, extended family of 2,06,754 teachers who have been trained by CCRT since its inception in 1979. Today, we are celebrating the 42nd Foundation Day. जब 1979 में इस संस्थान की स्थापना की हमारे जो फाउंडर्स रहे CCRT के, तो उन्होंने टीचर्स को एक बहुत ही अहम कड़ी माना हमारे पूरे देश में सोशियो कल्चरल बदलाव लाने के लिए। आज इस मौके पर एक 50 सेकंड का वीडियो मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कल्चर ने भी जारी किया है, जो न केवल उनके अपने सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स पर 8 बजे से दिखाया जा रहा है, बल्कि देश के अन्य प्लेटफॉर्म्स पर भी है। बहुत छोटी सी झलक उसमें CCRT की है। एक 4 कमरे के छोटे से ऑफिस, 10 लोगों से शुरुआत होकर आज वी हैव नाउ ए मैग्निफिसेंट 8 एकड़ ऑफ ब्यूटीफुल कैंपस in this sub-city near the Delhi airport, which is known as Dwarka. Beside this, we have now 3 regional centers in Hyderabad, Udaipur and Guwahati. Not only 2,06,750 teachers, but 9,97,957 students also have been trained under various programs, including community and extension services programs. Why I am telling all these statistics? Because now today, by virtue of becoming a member of this extended family, you can also feel pride in this heritage. Like we always say, we are having a very rich heritage as far as India is concerned by virtue of being born in this country. In schools, we have given around 28,906 educational kits free of cost. Means so many schools has got educational kits from where the CCRT trained teachers participated in our major training programs, which was named as orientation course training program, and these kits have been used by them not only for the school in their day-to-day classroom teaching, but organizing several programs in community. Because of these teachers, we were able to participate in almost all the campaigns of Government of India, whether it was Swachhata Abhiyan, Swachhata Mission, or Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, any kind of program which government started, we were able to help to take these programs to grassroots level with the help of our teachers, with the help of our district resource persons. Besides training to teachers and students on how to link culture with education or for propagation of art and culture among school and college students, we provide scholarships to children in various age groups to facilitate their learning, their training in various performing visual and literary arts. CCRT has provided 14,072 scholarships in more than 300 art forms till date. Time to time, cultural festivals are also organized for these scholarship holders. 42 such cultural festivals were organized. In 2014, the senior scholarship, which is known as Scholarship to Young Artists, was transferred to CCRT, and since 2014, 1,506 scholarships for advanced training have been awarded by CCRT to young artists of the country. Another scheme of junior and senior fellowship, which is research oriented schemes, was also transferred to CCRT in 2014, and 1,919 fellowships have been awarded by CCRT till date. All the details of these schemes you can get on CCRT website. As the name indicates, Center for Cultural Resources and Training. I told you about training, but since its inception, CCRT is continuously producing, collecting cultural resources, not only to supplement our training, but also to provide very low cost, effective, authentic material to those who wants to know about Indian art and culture. We have produced 156 publications till date in the form of books, handbooks, workbooks, folios, educational cultural packages, monographs, booklets, children's materials and quizzes, posters, guidebooks, etc. Beside this, CCRT has produced 41 video films, DVDs, which are produced, and almost we have tried our level best to cover various rare and extinct art forms of all the regions, all the zones of the country. I feel pride in sharing with you that this year only, one of the film produced by CCRT, Rahas, on the Ras Leela of Chhattisgarh was awarded Best Film Award by the Government of India in National Award category. Beside this, we had 55 other video programs which were made for educational purposes, 5 audio CD series, 3 digital slide albums, and 31 lecture demonstrations have been recorded as distance learning program in collaboration with NCERT. Most of this material is available on CCRT website, and you are free to use that material, just giving a due acknowledgement to your own institution, to CCRT. फेलोशिप के जो रिसर्च प्रपोजल्स हैं वो भी जब एक बार अप्रूव हो जाते हैं फाइनली, तो उनको भी हम अपनी वेबसाइट पर डिस्प्ले करते हैं. आप वहाँ से भी बहुत सारा मटेरियल जो हमारे देश के जाने माने कलाकारों ने, रिसर्चर्स ने, स्कॉलर्स ने, एजुकेशनिस्ट ने रिसर्च करके 2 साल का प्रयास करके, कठिन प्रयास और मेहनत करके जो अपनी थीसिस, अपना फाइनल रिपोर्ट्स दी हैं, वो भी वहाँ पर डिस्प्ले की गई हैं. आप चाहें तो ये सामग्री का अपने दिन प्रतिदिन के उपयोग में बहुत क्लासरूम में इसका उपयोग कर सकते हैं. जैसा कि मैंने पिछली बार भी आपको बताया था, दैट वी हैव ए मल्टी फेसिटेड पर्सनैलिटी in our chairperson, Dr. Hemlata S. Mohanji, who is a well-known, prominent educationist and culture promoter of this country. She has been awarded at national level by several awards, and we are utilizing her experience of more than 30 years in all our programs and activities. She is with us in this valedictory function also, and I will request Ma'am Hemlata ji to take over and give us our inspirational words as ever she always guide us. Thank you, madam. Thank you, sir, and thank you all the teachers. Thanks.